New Yorkers finally get the long-awaited announcement they have been waiting for. Micron announcing it will officially break ground next week on its $100 billion Clay campus. After years of promises and planning, we now know official groundbreaking will be on Friday, January 16th. Someone who's been following practically every development since Micron first picked Central New York is our Andrew Donovan. He joins us live at the Micron site with the latest. Andrew?
Ryan, it's the construction date everyone has been waiting for after all those promises, a lot of doubters. Micron has now set the schedule. Construction expected to begin here next Friday, just 9 days away. It's the first day of what's projected to be 20 years of construction here at the White Pine Commerce Park. That first day will be very ceremonial. Micron executives will be joined by government leaders, probably the governor, Senate Minority Leader, New York Senator Chuck Schumer, Onondaga County Executive Ryan McMahon, and others here at the site, the future Micron campus. They will put a ceremonial shovel in the ground, somehow clearing out some snow to do that, to mark the beginning of 20 years of construction. You'll remember Micron has already resulted in 2 presidential visits. It's not clear if anyone from the White House will visit next Friday. It's the first day of 2 decades of construction here at the campus off of Route 31 in the town of Clay. The project promising to bring 50,000 jobs, which will be eased in over those 2 decades of construction of eventually 4 fabrication facilities here in the town of Clay. Technically, this step is more than ceremonial. It means Micron has now cleared the environmental review process at the federal, state, county, and town levels. All that work just wrapping up in the last couple of weeks. We knew it was bleeding into January a little bit, even though this was promised for the end of 2025. It took a couple more weeks to get there, but now Micron is ready to commit to a date. Construction begins next Friday, Ryan.
All right, big day indeed. Thank you so much.